So the Galaxy S25 FE might be the first Samsung phone to come with these major upgrades. Yeah, we are talking One UI 8, Android 16 and some surprising new specs. From firmware leaks to camera upgrades to RAM bumps and pricing rumors, this one's got a lot going on. Let's break it all down. So according to fresh data from Samsung's own firmware service, testing has officially started for the Galaxy S25 FE software. Now the version number isn't showing directly, but it's obvious we are looking at Android 16 with One UI 8 right out of the box. That means the S25 FE will likely be the first phone to launch with One UI 8 complete with brand new features. Now, despite this new software upgrade, many fans might still hesitate to buy the phone because of the CPU. The Galaxy S25 FE is likely powered by the Exynos 2400 chip, which has disappointed some fans due to known issues. However, since the Galaxy S24 series also uses this chip, the S25 FE might still perform well in daily use. It is common knowledge that the Exynos chip can easily handle everyday tasks and heavy gaming, though it might struggle at times. I know some of you might have already left the video or are considering it, but I hope my words resonate with sensible viewers. Aside from the CPU, the Galaxy S25 FE is coming with some nice upgrades that could help sell the phone even with the Exynos 2400 inside. The front camera is one big upgrade, a 12 megapixel sensor just like the other Galaxy S25 models, improving on the older FE's 10 megapixel front camera. The back cameras probably won't change much this time. One thing we do know for sure is the Galaxy S25 FE will run One UI 8 right out of the box, and Samsung promises 7 years of software updates. Some insiders also think the Galaxy S25 FE might offer up to 12 gigs of RAM and 256 GB storage even in the base version. So if the price in the US is around $700 compared to last year's $650 model with a less RAM and storage, this new FE could be a great deal. So overall, the Galaxy S25 FE is shaping up to be a solid upgrade with sleek design, brighter display, better selfie camera and more powerful specs. If Samsung really launches it with 12 gigs of RAM and a fair price, this could be one of the best value flagship of the year. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy S25 FE? Let me know in the comments. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.